Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to catch shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go. Community days often feature increased spawn rates of specific Pokemon with a chance of encountering their shiny variants. So take advantage of special events like Safari Zones or Pokemon Go festivals that may boost shiny rates for certain Pokemon. Stay informed about periods where certain shiny Pokemon are more likely to appear, often announced by Niantic. Activate lure modules at Pokestop to increase the spawn rate of Pokemon, including those with shiny forms. Some research tasks reward encounters with Pokemon that have a chance of being shiny. Hatch egg obtained from gifts or Pokestops to potentially find shiny Pokemon, including regional exclusives. During Pokemon Go Fest, special habitats may spawn Pokemon with higher shiny rates. Participate in raid battles where certain Pokemon have a chance of appearing as shiny raid bosses. Complete special field research tasks that reward encounters with shiny capable Pokemon. Identify and visit Pokemon nests where specific species, including their shiny variants, frequently spawn. Obtain the shiny charm through completing of the Pokédex to increase your odds of encountering shiny Pokemon. Trade Pokemon with friends or other players to potentially receive Pokemon with the shiny attribute. Track Pokemon reported by other players or through community platforms like the Silk Road or Shiny Encounters. Attend special events where specific Pokemon known for their shiny form are more likely to appear. Participate in Raid R's events where certain raid bosses have increased shiny encounter rates. Visit popular Pokemon Go hotspots where players have reported frequent shiny Pokemon encounters. Increase your friendly level with other players to unlock bonuses, including increased shiny Pokemon encounter rates. And that's how to catch shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.